Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to multiply decimals by 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Let's review a whole number times 10 or 100. Remember, you don't really need to calculate when you multiply by 10, 100, and so on. For example, 98 times 10. You can find the answer very easily. Since 10 has one zero, you just need to put 0 at the end of 98. So the answer is 980. Consider this question again. Start with 98. Because 98 is a whole number, we could place the decimal point at the right end of 98. After multiplying 10, we have an answer of 980. We could place a decimal point at the right end of 980. If you see the movement of the decimal point, it moved one place to the right. So multiplying by 10 means to move the decimal point one place to the right. Another example, 98 times 100. You can find the answer very easily again. Since 100 has two zeros, you just need to put two zeros to 98. So the answer is 9,800. Consider this question again. Start with 98. Because 98 is a whole number, we could place a decimal point at the right end of 98. After multiplying 100, we have an answer of 9,800. We could place a decimal point at the right end of 9,800. If you look at the movement of the decimal point, it moved two places to the right. So multiplying by 100 means to move the decimal point two places to the right. In a similar way, when you multiply by 1000, you just need to move the decimal point three places to the right. Let's try some questions of multiplying decimals by 10, 100, and 1000. The first example is 7.654 times 10. Since 10 has one zero, you just need to move the decimal point one place to the right. So the answer is 76.54. Another example, 7.654 times 100. Since 100 has two zeros, you need to move the decimal point two places to the right. So the answer is 765.4. The other example is 7.654 times 1000. Since 1000 has three zeros, you can move the decimal point three places to the right. So the answer is 7,654 point. When you have a decimal point after a whole number, you don't need to have the decimal point. So the answer could be simply 7,654. Let's see one more set of questions of multiplying 12.3 by 10, 100, and 1000. The first question is to multiply by 10. Since 10 has one zero, you just need to move the decimal point one place to the right. So the answer is 123 point, which is just 123. Next, 12.3 times 100. Since 100 has two zeros, you move the decimal point two places to the right. So the answer is 1,230 point, or just 1,230. Lastly, 12.3 times 1000. Since 1000 has three zeros, you can move the decimal point three places to the right. So the answer is 12,300 point, which is just 12,300. Let's summarize today's lesson. When you multiply decimals by 10, 100, 1000, and so on, you don't really need to calculate them. Check how many zeros are in 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Move the decimal point to the right according to the number of zeros. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thank you and have a good one.